12 minutes or something like that, 15 minutes. Like, it would be interesting to see, like, what the difference is between that and, like, a society, and then a society that doesn't have commercials, that watches TV almost just as much. Cause, yeah, like, they don't have commercials there. But, like, a billboard, like, a billboard, no, they don't, like, in European countries, but, like, billboards they do have, like, they have those all over the streets, and they do have them, like, everywhere, like, even more than the United States, like, everywhere they have them, like, all over the place. And, like, they are, like, you know, but, I mean, I think that, like, with America, like, the way that people watch TV so much, and the fact that it was commercials, like, it's interesting to see, like, what that effect has. Yeah.
I'm reading the second one right now. Have you read them all?
Yeah, I read them all.
And it's, like, all about, right now, it's, like, they have this Society for Improvement or something like that, and they're, like, all up in arms about this guy that wanted to put advertising on this fence for, like, a doctor. You know, it's just, like,